Hello everyone, just giving you an update on my cabbage. I have 4 heads growing. I just gave it some fertilizer and a good water. I got them in these little small pots that I got from Walmart. After Easter they had these as Easter baskets, but after Easter they had them on sale for like 10 cents. So I grabbed about 30 of them. And I just grew my cabbage here. I'm not sure if the heads are going to get too big, but that's okay. It's only 3 of us here anyway, so as long as they get big enough to feed the 3 of us, I'm happy with that. So I was just giving you guys an update. Gave them a good water and some fertilizer, and I'll give you guys another video once they grow bigger. Excuse the noise, I live on a very busy street. Thank you so much for watching, and you guys have a great day.